Welcome back to the channel, everybody. So I promised you an autocross video. I'm gonna throw this up. It was absolute crap. The car, for the first time in its life, understeered. This thing used to be able to throw it into any corner and the front would just stick. And this time it did not. And I don't know, I've made a lot of changes. Well, first of all, I haven't done autocross. It's the only one I've done all year. And it's like anything else in life. If you don't do it consistently, if you're not practicing and kind of get the hang of it, you're going to get rusty. I noticed the guys that always do really well out there, they do autocrosses every weekend. I mean, it's every weekend for them. They'll go from, you know, SCCA to American Autocross Series to the Porsche Club to the BMW Club, and they do it every weekend. And me, it was once this year, so I'm pretty rusty. And I made a lot of changes in the car. I said I dialed out some of the camber. I have changed the shock settings immensely thanks to Rich back in Ohio. And the car just understeered. I mean, you can see it in my video. I put up the actually worst run when it understeered the worst, and I took out a couple of cones. So you can kind of get an idea how bad it was, which is good because, you know, these cars don't want to understeer. So now I can try to dial that out. My problem is I'm so into the Silver State Nevada Open Road. That's May and September. It's hard to fit in the autocrosses because, you know, we don't want to take the cars out and autocross them in April or May because we're getting ready for May. And then we get back, we're already thinking about September. So I don't want to, you know, beat on it all summer long. I don't know. I got to kind of decide what I want to do more of. Maybe only do one of the open road challenges in the summertime, May or September, and then autocross the rest. I don't know. Figure it out next year. Right now, I'm not worried about it. But I wanted to throw this video up, show you guys how not to do an autocross because it was pretty bad. Finished way down the pack. It was just ugly. So enjoy. It'll be a quick one. One complete run. I think it was 60 seconds, something or not. But enjoy, and I will talk to you all later. And thank you very much, and have a great Thanksgiving.